I am going to be a great doctor, anything I want to be when I grow up.
When I grow up, I want to be a baker.
A biomusicologist.
To find a cure for cancer.
It's a real privilege to get to see people have a heart to love children and to love their families and their parents and educators. And you start with just one school and you start seeing change happen.
School is important because everybody has a dream goal that they want to do in their life.
Children are our future. They are to be really invested in because they are actually the ones who are going to be taking the steps that we take next.
I think the kids can change the world.
I think we change the world together because every time we work together, everything becomes better.
Whenever you got 10 people working towards a goal, you can lift a car with 10 people. You can't lift a car by yourself.
This is something that is just making sense to people. They understand that if we work together, if we ask questions, if we solve problems together, that real transformation can happen, and we get to be a part of it.
I think that kids they want to be heard and listened to. And when people actually show that they want to hear them and they want to listen to them, I think they thrive.
You can be like 5 to change the world. You can be 16 to change the world. You can be 20. Any age, I think you can change the world.